Hey everyone, it's me, Sarah T with JDS, featuring the Damascus Blade Bison River Knives. Previously we took a closer look at the Bison River Rescue Knives. If you're looking for tips and tricks on those, you can view that video here. Let's start by taking a look at how the Damascus knives are packaged. Each knife will come in a Bison River branded box with a UPC and barcode. This way you can enter these into your inventory and sales system easily. Each style of knife features high quality blades forged from 4340 alloy steel and 1095 carbon steel with 256 layers, giving each blade a unique one-of-a-kind swirl pattern. No blade will be exactly the same. They all have a Rockwell hardness of 54 to 60, ensuring durability and sharpness. Each knife also comes with a water buffalo hide sheath and is heavily oiled for protection. The Damascus collection is made up of 3 knives. 2 are flip knives. One has a bone handle made from water buffalo bone, and the other is made from acacia wood. The other style is a straight back blade with acacia wood handle. Let's take these to the laser and find some best practices to get the best mark. Starting with the BR1752, this 3 3/4 folding knife offers personalization area on both sides of the handle. This unique bone color offers the ability to achieve a range of marks from a subtle natural tan to a dark, nearly charcoal color. Here on my scale of 0 to 100%, I use 80% power for both, but 10% speed here and 55% speed here. Both marks look nice and are completely customer preference. Both of these Damascus knife handles are made of acacia wood, which can come in various shades. Combine that with the unique swirl of each blade and you will ensure a completely unique item for each customer. The small engraving area of these handles can have a lot of wood grain, which can be highlighted when engraved. The best type of engraving for the acacia wood is to essentially burn the top surface and not go too deep. To achieve this kind of engraving, a fast speed and mid power and slightly out of focus will leave that right amount of contrast and smooth to the touch personalization. All 3 sheaths that come with the knives are engravable as well and are made from water buffalo hide. Similar to the water buffalo bone, there is no real wrong way to mark them and can be a personal choice of how dark of an engraving you want. Do be mindful of wiping them post lasering and don't wash with any harsh chemicals. A simple damp paper towel will remove any possible soot you may encounter. On that same note of no harsh chemicals, Damascus blades do have the potential to rust if not properly cared for. Keeping them well oiled with mineral oil after hand washing with soap and water and completely drying will help extend the lifetime of your knives. You're now equipped to add some cutting-edge designs to those Damascus knives. Join the herd today and get your JDS exclusive Bison River knives. Thanks for watching.